We have fourth part of question number 3. 5x minus 3y equals to 11. Second equation is minus 10x plus 6y equals to minus 22. So here a1 is 5, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 11. a2 is minus 10, b2 is 6, c2 is 22. Therefore a1 by a2, 5 by minus 10, that is minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, that is minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2, that is minus 11 by 22. From here you can see that a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. So therefore pair of equations is consistent with infinitely many solutions. Okay.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.